The process was so easy. Lucas measured up on the day, highlighted even a new build when a window was a millimetre out. I mean, that is so precise and so wonderful that he's spotting things like that. He spent time with Sarah listening to what she wanted. He took in her decoration in her living room in particular. I wasn't sure about this blind, but Sarah and Lucas both said, yeah, it'll work. And this has just got up this morning and I cannot wait for Sarah to see it. It's stunning. It pulls in the colours, the white, the cream, and then her suite, and makes it a real statement in the room and complements. She's then got white blinds going throughout the rest of the house. Lucas, obviously, she was new in. She was desperate to get the temporary shutters and things down from her window, which was card. Lucas didn't give false promises saying, oh yes, it'll be 2 weeks. He managed her expectations for when they would be here. He said they'd keep us in touch and informed. The deposit, the payments, everything was made easy for her to manage her budget. And he was true to his word, because when he said, oh, it'd be 3 weeks, this, that, and the other, I thought, could be knocking it on. It was actually exactly as he'd said, which was lovely for Sarah's expectations of starting to finish off her home. Again, communication was amazing. We were kept informed at all times. Again, bang on time today for the fitting, quick. I've been noticing as he's drilling, he's backing up for the bits, and it's just lovely to see, because some people come in and say, yeah, well, tidy up, and you think, no, I'll have to go around again. But the living room is just left as better than Sarah left it this morning. So I can't praise it highly enough for how easy it's been made for my daughter in her first home. So thank you for that.